Hello friend, welcome back to our channel. This is the May 2022 important fact. In this video I have contained only important facts. If you want to watch the same video in Hindi, अगर आप हिंदी के स्टूडेंट्स हैं और आप चाहते हैं कि हिंदी में आप पीटी देखना चाहते हैं तो उसका लिंक आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. इफ़ यू आर द एस्पिरेंट ऑफ एमपी एग्ज़ाम तो घटना चक्र के भी मैंने इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स का एक वीडियो बनाया है, लेकिन वो सिर्फ हिंदी में है, तो उसका लिंक भी आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. So without wasting our time, we start our video. The first important fact: in which state legislative assembly election did the Aam Aadmi Party form the government for the first time? This is the first time by winning the maximum number of seats, and the name is Punjab. ठीक है, Aam Aadmi Party successfully formed the government for the first time by winning more seats than Congress and BJP and other political party. Okay, and who will be the chief minister of Aam Aadmi Party? It will be Bhagwant Mann as a chief minister. Also remember, it is a very important, Aam Aadmi Party is a political party and it is founded in 2012 by Arvind Kejriwal and his company. You know very well, this is Arvind Kejriwal and this is the new chief minister of Punjab. The name is Bhagwant Mann. Next important fact is, which operation was carried, very important, was carried out by the government of India to bring back Indians, especially medical students from war-torn in Ukraine. Everybody know where is Ukraine, and the name of the operation is Operation Ganga. Next important fact: on which river is the world's highest railway bridge under construction in India, which is expected to be completed in September 2022. On which river? The river name is Chenab River. A railway bridge is being built on Chenab River and the name of the district is Riyasi district, and it will connect Bakal and Kauri places. There are the two places, the one side is Bakal and the another side is Kauri. ठीक है, and the height of the bridge is 359 meter. You can see 359 meter. It is the highest railway bridge in the world. Next important fact: by which time the target of eliminating, very important question, eliminating TB disease from India has been told by the health minister of India, Mansukh Mandavia? 2025. It is declared by the minister that TB will be eliminated in India from 2025 till 2025. Next important question: the President of India, Sri Ramnath Kovind, honored which oldest Yog Guru with Padma Shri? The name of the Yog Guru is Swami Sivanand. He is now 125-year old, very oldest. Born on August 8, 1896, and he was born in Sylhet district, and now it is in Bangladesh. Before that, it is in India. In 1896, Swami Sivanand is helping poor and sick people even now at the age of 125. Next important fact: which former Indian sports person from India was honored with sports icon in Maldives in March 2022? You know very well, the name is Suresh Raina. He was honored with the sports icon, and the in which country? It is Maldives, on March 17, 2022. Suresh Raina started his career in 2005 and played until 2018. Now he has retired from all format in the international cricket. Which film won the best film and its director won the best director award at the 75th BAFTA award announced in March 2022? The name of the film is The Power of the Dog, and the name of the director is Jane Campion. Next important fact: which young Australian female player has announced her retirement from tennis international competition in March 2022? The name is Ashley Barty. Remember it, she won the Australian Open in 2022. ठीक है, she has announced her retirement from tennis in March 2022. Also remember, she also won the French Open in 2019. Where was the annual meeting of India-Pakistan Permanent Indus Commission held in March 2022? Islamabad. The name is the Sindhu Nadi. In English, you can say the Indus River. The annual 3-day meeting of the Indian-Pakistan Commission was held on March 1st to 3rd, 2022. Next important fact, where was the decision to establish the World Health Organization WHO Global Center for Traditional Medicine taken in March 2022? In Gujarat. An agreement has been signed between WHO and Ministry of Ayush in India, through which in the Jamnagar, a global center for traditional medicine, we can say GCTM, will be established in Gujarat. Next important fact, which nation topped the medal tally by winning the most medal by 13 Winter Paralympics Games? The name is China. And the second was Ukraine. China won 18 gold and the total number of medals is 61. Ukraine won 29 medal with 11 gold. Next important fact, which is the first nation of Central Asia which recognized the ambassador of the Taliban government here in March 2022, and the name is Turkmenistan. Remember, Central Asia, not in all over the world, the name is Central Asia. After the Taliban organization, you also know in Afghanistan, in August 2021, Turkmenistan has accepted Afghanistan appointed ambassador, name is Fahmi Mohammad Sabir. In which sport India's women team won bronze medal for the first time in March 2022 World Pedestrian Championship? You can say Paddle Chal. And the three women, Sunita Prajapati, Bhavna Jat and the Ravina, won the bronze medal in the first time in India history. And it was held in Muscat, Oman. These are the three women, Sunita Prajapati, Bhavna Jat and Ravina. The rank of India in the Happiness Index 2022 released by the United Nations is very lowest rank, almost 136th. In 2013 rank of India was 111, now it is 139. Better than is 2022, but it's not so good. We talk about our neighbors country, then Pakistan is ranked 121, Bangladesh 94, Nepal 84 and Sri Lanka 127, which are better than India. These are the only important fact, and in this video I selected only fact which are useful for your exam. अगर आप हिंदी के स्टूडेंट हैं तो सेम आपको वीडियो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. साथ ही घटना चक्र के, अगर आप एमपी के एग्ज़ाम देते हैं तो घटना चक्र के भी इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्ट मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में अटैच किए हैं, तो आप वहाँ से भी देख सकते हैं. होपफुली ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो. मिलता हूँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए गुड बाय, सी यू, टेक केयर.